Bus safety with additional brake. Hello. Rainwater harvesting. Hello. Smart farming. Tesla coil. Pragyan, Amit, Utkarsh, Atul and Ashish. Great. Momos to you. Ice cream also for 1 minute. Ice cream also for 1 minute. And I cannot see you. Great. This is Akanshi ma'am has helped everyone. I have recorded yours too. It was a wonderful performance, beta. Auto driller Technoform. Eco-friendly? Hydraulic bridge. Smile. Yes.
If it is not there, the boat want to go, it can go, but it can't have to take a long route. It will be there. Normal, car can go, but boat can't go. It will be open, and either ships or boats can pass, and here it will be road, so the car can pass. It is based on faster.
Wonderful.
Apply the pressure release of air.
Great. Wonderful. 6B. Just a minute. 11:30. Motorbike, and this is also motorbike. No.
No, this is table fan.
It's a table fan. So all the 6B children, tell your name one by one. Okay.
My name is Neha. My name is Yashwini. I'm Devanshi. My name is Karthik. Pushkar Pathak.
Wonderful.
Created by Mr. Robert Vilas Nine. All tenants created by Mr. Robert Vichon. Mohit Fish Kumar Gupta.
Wait for your speech. Maybe we will type in and it will speak.
So one is Ayush and second one is? How it works, beta? Great. How many days you took? Great. What he has helped into that? What he did into that? Great. Wonderful. So this is smart house?
Yes.
How this is smart? Please elaborate.
If anyone, when a car will come, it will open automatically and go inside and automatically and if anyone cross the boundary, it will automatically read. And here is one more thing, that is if anyone go inside, it will grow, the one will grow automatically. But that time it was when the sign was not there, so that's why it was not there.
Okay. Aradhya, what you did in that? So circuit system part, who has done, you or Vanshika? Vanshika has done. Wonderful.
It's not me only. He has also helped us. He has helped us.
Very nice. Jai Hind. What's your name? Arsalan from section?
D.
And model you have made? Both have made model. Wonderful. I will upload this on my channel today. Scissor lift car. Okay, the first. Introduce yourself.
Ma'am, I am Yusuf from
6th day.
I am IS from 6.
What do you make? What is this?
Ma'am, this is the model of
Okay, very nice.
Ma'am, here is a gear box and here is power and it goes up and down.
Okay, who has done programming into that?
Ma'am, there is no program. There is only system in this and here is ma'am battery and the connection is done by me and this made.
Wonderful. Very nice.
Ma'am, how many times in Russia? There is 11.
Okay, for right answer, white. And for wrong answer?
Ma'am, bird is not on.
Okay, so if the answer is right, then only it will blow. Wonderful. Made by Utkarsh and Ananya. Ananya Kayal. Wonderful. Take just a minute. Haan. Smile. Home automation. Just a second. Wait. Yes.
I mean, this all your home appliances will be connected by Bluetooth, like Jesus and fridge and everything, which run on 220 volts. And you can connect from 30 to 40 meters from it, and it can be controlled easily by it will be given an app in the phone, and you will use it and you to control all your home appliances. Ma'am, it is only for handicapped people, not for young and adults.
Correct. And who had done the Jane? Who has done the programming into that?
Okay. And this app is not available on Play Store. And so sir has
Wonderful. Wonderful.
Created by Mr. Ryan, the last name. All tablets created by Mr. Ryan Hussein, Mohit Ryan Fish Kumar Gupta. I can be residents to serve in hospital, also at the home or at restaurant to serve food.
Smile. But then assembly is there. Object detection car and e-tricycle. Wonderful. Made by you, designed by you, and programmed by you only. Great. Wonderful, Adarsh. Fire alarm system. Can you tell me how it works? So it will start alarming. Programming done by? Great. Smart blind stick. What is the use of it and who has made it? Toyaj, Adarsh, Kush.
we have taken help of Ashish sir also.
Okay.
Blind people can use this, who cannot see properly. And we can also use it in the when we are
Very nice. Acha, any?
can sense anything at the range of 25 seconds.
Okay. Very nice.
Ma'am, it's no direction, ma'am. It is being used, ma'am, for detecting the smoke, ma'am. Ma'am, it's 21st century, ma'am. All are having innovating mind. Ma'am, so ma'am, it's cheap that it can be made at home. But the thing is that the child or the person who is making it should know how to do coding. By the help of coding, they can do it.
Wonderful. So who has done coding into that?
Ma'am, we have taken with the help of Ashish sir, because we don't know that much how to do coding. So he has done.
Correct. Very good.
Ma'am,
Oh my God, it's looking very cool. Made by?
Living. Yes.
It is smart refrigerant system by the principle of IAS, IAS sensor and IAC display.
Okay.
IAS sensor, and when someone enters, we can see in the camera when a person is enter.
Yes.
It is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And when a person come out, 5, 3, 4, 2, 1. This model you can use in malls and when we access it by the biometric and scanner, it will can use in schools and colleges.
Wonderful effort. Wonderful. Just let me see the faces of everybody. Great. Congratulations.